What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode of Vape Reviews, and today we're going to be reviewing the Vapresso Ravenger. This vape goes up to a whopping 220 watts. It's pretty intense. I don't know who would want to vape at that high of a wattage, because that would just absolutely yeet the entire coil. I have no clue. But anyways, it's pretty impressive that the vape can go up to that. But let's just jump straight into the unboxing. In this actual kit, it came with the mod, the tank, a spare glass, and a spare coil, which was pretty handy. It came with a cable to plug it in, but obviously no batteries came with this because they can't ship 1860 batteries or whatever they are. They can't ship them unless you buy them somewhere, I don't know. But basically, I just bought them locally, and then that took me 2 hours to figure out that you needed batteries for it, because, you know, I just assumed it would just charge, because most of the batteries and vapes that I've gotten, you can just charge them straight out of the box, even ones like these. So I'm not sure, but anyways, it only required two 1850 batteries, and yeah. But basically, I got some banana cream juice that I'm going to fill into the tank, so let's just jump straight into filling that up. This vape was actually fairly easy to assemble and figure out how to, you know, switch the tank and other stuff, because I've had a couple other vapes, like the Cascade one, I think, which is also made by Vapresso, and you have to pull the top of the tank, and it just feels really weird. So this one's just a slide off the top and you just squirt the juice in, which is absolutely perfect, and anything else is just simply unnecessary. So we squirt the juice into this. Ignore my Parkinson's, kind of sped the video up just to make it a little less noticeable. But once you've basically filled the tank, let it soak in for a little bit, and if you really want to, you can prime the coil. I would usually take the coil out first and then prime it, but if you're really lazy, just say fuck it and then squirt the juice in the center. But then I wouldn't suck on it for a good 20 minutes unless you want to literally die from the flavor. You won't die, but like, it just tastes so bad. So anyways, let's jump straight into the next section. Yeah, and so this is the section that it took me 2 hours to figure out that there were no batteries. But basically, I also noticed that there were the little plastic films. So I hope you guys enjoy this little sneaky cheeky ASMR section. Yeah, and thanks for watching. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you enjoyed this little mini vape haul and vape review series that I've got going. I enjoy making these video reviews, and because a lot of people have actually asked me, how the fuck do you install and set up and do all this stuff? So I was like, why don't I just make a video and people ship me their vapes, and then I'll assemble it, send them some juice, and then ship it to them, and they'll watch the video on how to actually use the vape and some, facts and stuff. But other than that, basically, it's just stuff that I get. So these are spare coils that I got for my personal vape that I do maintenance on, and it's pretty cool. The amount of stuff that you can do with vapes, it's quite a hobby. But yeah, always you got to get spare shit like this tank glass, because I accidentally cracked the tank glass in my vape, so that was a bit of a pain in the ass. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I don't know why you're still watching now, so
I won't be home for dinner tonight.
What?
I have to work late. I said I have to work tonight. I won't be home for dinner.